Hey guys, I'm standing in front of my new listing. It's in coming soon status. It's not ready just yet. I got to get some landscaping taken care of, mulch put down. But while I'm getting it into coming soon status, I wanted to give you a quick heads up so you can see what's coming to market. I expect it to go active on August 1st, maybe sooner. So here it is from the outside. Now this home is in Brickshire. And Brickshire is out in New Kent, and it's a beautiful community, golf course, swimming pool, so many amenities. A lot of the homes in here are newer. There's a look at your neighbor's home, other neighbor, and your other neighbor over here. And as you can see, we're on a cul-de-sac right now. So that's awesome. So let's get inside after we take a walk around the outside here. And you back up to the woods over here. So I'll try not to shake the camera around too much. Let me see if I could, no, it's zooming in. Okay. Let me try to zoom out with my other, I'm in cinema mode. So I'm gonna switch out. Okay, now I'm in regular film mode. Now I could zoom out some more, and look at that. Capture so much more in the frame. So the deck, very well maintained. It's a beautiful deck. And you have a walkout basement down here, which is sweet. I mean, it's beautiful in there. Wait till we get inside. Wait till you take a look at it. You're gonna love it. This hot tub right here is, from what I understand, it's probably around a $20,000 hot tub. He's only asking for $5,000. It does not convey with the home unless we want to do a separate bill of sale. Let me see if I can get this lifted up here. Ugh. So there it is. A lot of jets. Has Bose speakers. Steps going into it. It's hardwired into the home. It's an attachment, but we are, disclosing that it does not convey unless, you want to buy it separately. So here's your patio in the back, and it backs up to the woods, so you got privacy, which is awesome while you're hanging out in your hot tub. Here's the side of the house. There's a couple of heating cooling zones. You do have gas, as you can see, going into the house. So let's get inside and take a look at the inside. So my timing couldn't have been more perfect. It just started raining outside, so I'm done with the outside. Let's get in here and take a look at this house. So here it is. We're in the foyer, and this house is just gonna knock your socks off, man. Look at this. You got a little sitting area when you first walk in. Now, this house is not staged. This is the way they had it furnished. It's beautiful. I mean, this is like in a magazine. And this could be used as a sitting room as it's being used here, or you can use it as an office. I think would be great because you have a window right there. You could look out. You got high ceilings. This is just a fantastic little space. You got tiles. When you first walk in, you got a nice full-size dining room. Now, I'm gonna go right to the part I know everybody's gonna love, and that is this first floor primary bedroom. Here's the living area, upstairs, and wait till we get down here. That walkout basement is a dream. I wish I had one. So here's the primary bedroom. And here is the walk-in closet. With a pull down. You're going to see the access to the storage in the attic when we get upstairs. Here's the primary bathroom, jacuzzi hot tub, double vanity sink, stand-up shower. You got a lot of space in here. Now I'm going to put a link to a 3D virtual tour that you kind of, it's called Matterport, and you kind of scroll around on your own and kind of move around at your own pace. So go to the description below and click on that link if it's there. It might not be there now if you're watching it too soon after me filming this, but it'll be there. And it really helps, you, get a really good feel for it. You can even put on a VR headset if you want. So you have the deck view from the primary bedroom. And then you have another closet in here. So if this were my house, my wife would grab that big walk-in and that would be mine. That's kind of my situation now. which is great, which is fine. High ceilings. Gas fireplace. See the pilot is lit. I see the orange glow right there. Looks like it's working. And here's the kitchen. And you have a double stove. The brand is Genair. The refrigerator is Genair. And all this is going to convey. And the stove is Genair. And people, a lot of times they ask, well, why isn't there a hood? Shouldn't there be a hood? Well, with Genair, you don't need one because it sucks the smoke down there. So it's kind of interesting. And there's like a filter right there. That's what's cool about those units. And I think they work great. I never hear people complain about them. So you have a little eating kitchen right here if you don't want to eat in the dining room. And that looks out to the woods in the back. And you have a pantry here. A lot of space. It's got its own light switch. Close that up. And then the dining room I showed you before just leads right in to the living room area. And again, that's what I love about that Matterport tour. You can go around and, kind of figure that out for yourself. Here's the garage. You got a 2-car garage. And it's finished. You have nice sheetrock walls. And this is amazing, this flooring here. I don't know if you can see that, but this is a really good job. I helped these sellers buy this home several years ago, and it was already done, and it is still in great shape, so it's really holding up. You got a central vacuum here. Your water heater. This water heater is new. He had to replace it since he bought it a couple of years ago. So this is a brand new water heater, gas. And what else? Got some storage up there. And here's a half bath downstairs. Nice half bath. Look like 9-foot ceilings. Then you have a nice big closet for storage. And here's that vacuum for the central vac. And your laundry room is right here. And it's a big laundry room, full size, washer, dryer. You got a sink right there, cabinets. I mean, you have a lot of space in here. Place to fold your laundry, shelf. Beautiful. This house is really, it has it all. It really does have it all. Now let's go upstairs really quick because I want to end with the man cave downstairs, or the walkout finished basement, because this is going to be quick up here. So upstairs, there's not that much space upstairs, but I love that because it's very efficient the way this house is designed. And here you have 3 rooms. You have 1 bedroom here. And look at how she designed this. I mean, isn't that just beautiful? Unbelievable. I love it. Like I said, it could be in a magazine. Okay. Then you have a bathroom, full bathroom here, and a tub. And behind this door is storage, a lot of storage. You have a lot of space for storage. You got lights up here. And last, you have your 3rd bedroom right here. So now let's get down to that walkout basement. Here it is. Fully furnished, finished, heated. Look at that. Big TV right here. Theater seats. Another eating area. This is awesome. Got a little fireplace here, but this is looks like it's a piece of furniture. I don't think it's an attachment. Then in here you have some storage and some utilities, but you have a workshop in here, a bench already built out for you. Plenty more room for storage. You got several handlers here. Multiple zones of heating and cooling. Nice ducting. Then you have a full bar. How cool is that? All right, so you got your theater over there, sitting area, got your bar here, your Guinness seats. We'll have to talk to the owner and see if those convey or if we can work a deal. A little sink down here, got a refrigerator. And to top it off, full bathroom with a shower. And it's a walkout, like I said, and it walks out to that back deck we looked at earlier by the hot tub. So now, is this not a man cave or a she shed or she cave? I want to be proper here, but look at that. That's awesome. Okay guys, so there you have it. You're still here. You made it to the end. Well, if you want to take a personal tour of this home with me, my number is right over here. There's going to be more information in the description below. So don't hesitate to pick up the phone, give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you. My name is Ron DiSanto. Have a great day.